Windows and lock windows. I would like to go back and start with the redo and undo. The shortcut is the control key plus Z, and to redo, control key plus the letter Y. I would like to demonstrate with a Google Doc. Type in the word hello. And to undo the typing, I'm going to click on the control key and the letter Z to undo. To redo, I'm going to click control and the letter Y. To undo, control and the letter Z. To redo, control and the letter Y. The next shortcut is to create a new folder, and this can be done on your desktop or in your documents. So you're going to click on Control plus Shift plus N. Let's go to the desktop and click on the desktop. Click the Control, the Shift, and the letter N, and that creates a new folder. And I'm going to name it Flipgrid Video. Okay. Now I have a folder here with a document inside. To delete this folder and send it, all the contents of it to the trash bin, I'm going to select it and click Shift and the Delete key. Shift and the Delete key, and then this dialog box pops up and asks you, are you sure you want to completely delete this folder? And if you are sure, once you click it, it is gone. So it doesn't ask you again. It only asks once. So once I click yes, it will be gone. That's are the open new window and new tab in Chrome. The shortcuts are Control plus the letter N to open a new window, and Control key plus the letter T to open a new tab. To demonstrate, I'm going to click the Control key on my keyboard and the letter N, and that opens a new window. And to add more tabs, I will click the Control key again and the letter T to open up new tabs. So new window, Control key and the letter N, new tab, control key, and the letter T. These two shortcuts are to minimize all windows and lock windows. On the keyboard, locate the Windows logo icon and click the letter M to minimize all the tabs on the screen. And to lock the window or the screen, locate the window logo again and click it and click the letter L to lock the screen. I'm going to demonstrate now how to minimize all of the logos. I'm going to click my Windows logo and the letter M, and then all of my tabs are minimized at once. And just click on those to maximize those again. And lastly, I'm going to click the Windows logo again and the letter L to lock my screen.